My VidIQ journey, from 100 to 1,100 subscribers in 30 days. It was an incredible transformation that I never thought possible. I started my YouTube channel a while back. Like many creators, I was filled with excitement and passion to share my knowledge and creativity with the world. I was excited to share my knowledge, but growth was slow. Despite my best efforts, my subscriber count barely moved. I was stuck at 100 subscribers for months. It was frustrating. I felt like I was shouting into the void with no one listening. Then I discovered VidIQ. It changed everything. VidIQ is a tool that helps you grow your YouTube channel. It's like having a personal coach that guides you through the complexities of YouTube growth. It gives you data and insights. These insights are crucial for understanding what works and what doesn't on your channel. You can use these to improve your videos. I started analyzing my content more critically and making data-driven decisions. I started using VidIQ every day. It became an essential part of my routine. I would spend hours diving into the analytics and learning from the data. I focused on keywords, competitors, and thumbnails. Keywords helped me understand what my audience was searching for, while competitor analysis gave me insights into what was working for others in my niche. I also used VidIQ to track my progress. Seeing the numbers go up was incredibly motivating and kept me pushing forward. Within 30 days, my channel exploded. The growth was exponential, and I could hardly believe my eyes. I gained 1,000 new subscribers. VidIQ was the game changer. It provided the tools and insights I needed to succeed. It can be yours too. If you're struggling to grow your channel, VidIQ might be the solution you've been looking for. Let me show you how. Together we can unlock the potential of your YouTube channel and achieve the growth you've always dreamed of. The biggest mistake you're making on YouTube and how to fix it. Many YouTubers make one big mistake. They don't understand their audience. They create videos they think people want, but they don't know for sure. VidIQ solves this problem. It shows you what people are searching for. You get data on keywords, search volume, and competition. This helps you create videos that people actually want to watch. When you make videos people want, they watch. They subscribe. Your channel grows. It's that simple. Imagine spending hours creating content, only to see low view counts and minimal engagement. With VidIQ, you can tap into trending topics and understand what your audience is excited about. This means you can create content that resonates, engages, and keeps viewers coming back for more. The result? More views, more subscribers, and a thriving channel. So stop guessing and start knowing. Use VidIQ to unlock your channel's potential and watch it soar. Unlocking YouTube success with VidIQ involves mastering keywords, understanding your competitors, and creating compelling thumbnails. These elements are crucial for growing your channel and reaching a wider audience. VidIQ offers a suite of powerful features designed to boost your YouTube growth. From keyword research to competitor analysis, these tools are essential for any serious YouTuber. Keyword research is the foundation of your content strategy. With VidIQ, you can find the best keywords for your videos, ensuring that your content is discoverable by the right audience. This means more views, more engagement, and ultimately, more subscribers. VidIQ allows you to see what people are searching for so you can target the right terms. This insight helps you create content that resonates with viewers and meets their needs. Competitor analysis is another key feature. By analyzing what's working for your competitors, you can learn from their success and avoid their mistakes. VidIQ provides detailed insights into their strategies, helping you to refine your own approach. Thumbnail optimization is another area where VidIQ excels. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is essential for grabbing viewers' attention and encouraging them to click on your videos. VidIQ helps you design thumbnails that stand out. With better thumbnails, you can get more clicks and views, which translates to higher engagement and growth for your channel. These are just a few of VidIQ's features. Each tool is designed to help you grow your channel and achieve your YouTube goals. With VidIQ, you have everything you need to succeed on YouTube. Start using these tools today and watch your channel grow. VidIQ Free Plan. Your secret weapon to YouTube growth? Yes, really. You might think, this sounds expensive. Here's the best part. VidIQ has a free plan. It gives you access to powerful tools. You can start optimizing your channel right away. The free plan is perfect for beginners. You can try VidIQ risk-free. See the results for yourself. Once you experience the power of VidIQ, you'll want to upgrade. Don't wait to grow your channel. Start your VidIQ journey today. Stop struggling to grow your YouTube channel. Stop guessing what works. Start using data to your advantage. Sign up for VidIQ's free plan today. It's time to take your channel to the next level. VidIQ can help you get there. Click the link below to get started. VidIQ, the future of YouTube growth, and why you need to be a part of it. YouTube is constantly changing. To succeed, you need to stay ahead of the curve. VidIQ helps you do just that. With its powerful tools and data-driven insights, VidIQ is the future of YouTube growth. Don't get left behind. Join the thousands of creators who are already using VidIQ to grow their channels. Start your VidIQ journey today and unlock your channel's true potential.